Hi everyone, welcome back to Java 1 for All. In this video we are going to talk about the LocalTime. That's another class inside of the java.time package. And we are going to create a new class inside of the date. So right click, go to Java class, LocalTime, test01. So basically the LocalTime as the local date is a class introduced in Java 8 and it works only with time. And basically it follows the same pattern that we have in the local date. To create a local time, you have a couple options: local time, time now, local time dot now, and this will return the time now, including the nanoseconds. And if you want to create a specific point in time, off, and you have to be careful. For example, here I will show you one example. If you try to create a time starting with hour 24, you will get an exception because the valid hour of the day, it goes from 0 to 23. So basically the earliest time in day would be midnight 00, and the last point in time of that day would be 23, 59, 59, and 9999. So we can print this one, but we need to change here, for example, to 11 p.m. Shift F10, and we have the result here without the nanoseconds because we didn't pass nanoseconds here. And we have some useful methods like we had in local date. We have time, for example, get hour, we have get minute, and we have get second, for example. And you get the same result, but only the integer values. In this case, actually, it's returning, integer. Now, if you want something more specific, you have the same in time as you have in the local date for temporal field, and you can use chrono field dot, and for example, clock hour of AM PM. So I think it's going to return 11. Yeah, so 11 in this case 11 PM because we are working with the time that we set the hour to 23. And another useful one, if you want to get midnight, you have local time dot midnight, Shift F10, and there are some cases where, for example, you are generating reports and you need to get all the values from the day, and sometimes that day and the values, they will have the time, so you have to start from the earliest point in the day to the latest the last point of the day. You could use midnight because midnight is the beginning of the day, is the earliest point, but I would advise you to use min because you're telling everybody that's reading that minimum in this case would be the point of the day that it should start this local time. And if you want to go all the way to the end, just go max. And you will see that's also midnight to 11, 59, 59, 9999. So basically this is the local time. Now we have a local date, we have local time, and we have a class that basically put everything together and works with local date and time. And the name is local date time. So let's talk about local date time in the next video. See you there. Bye.